Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best inkjet printers available right now. Whether you're printing documents, photos, or just need a reliable all-in-one for your home or office, we've got you covered. We've analyzed these printers for their features, performance, and value for money. You can find links to all the products in the description below. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the HP DeskJet 2855E, the budget-friendly wireless all-in-one printer designed for light home use. Priced at just $69.99, this printer offers printing, scanning, and copying functionality in a compact design. It's perfect for those who need an affordable and easy-to-use printer. With print speeds of 7.5 ppm for black and 5.5 ppm for color, it's not the fastest on the list, but it gets the job done for basic tasks. The design is lightweight and compact, making it easy to fit into tight spaces. The 60-sheet input tray and manual duplex printing are adequate for occasional use. And the intuitive LCD panel helps you navigate basic tasks. It's also worth noting that it comes with 3 months of HP's Instant Ink subscription, which is a nice bonus for those looking to save on ink in the short term. However, its limitations include a smaller paper capacity and slower print speeds, which may frustrate users with higher volume needs. Overall, the HP DeskJet 2855E is ideal for students or families who need an occasional printer for everyday tasks but don't want to break the bank. It's a solid entry-level option with a sustainable design made from 60% recycled plastic. Coming in at number 4 is the Canon PIXMA MG3620. At just $54, it's the most budget-friendly option on our list. But don't let the price fool you. This compact all-in-one printer packs a punch. It can print, scan, and copy, and features wireless printing from your smartphone or tablet. With print speeds of 9.9 ppm for black and 5.7 ppm for color, it's a great choice for light-duty use in small spaces. The PIXMA MG3620 features automatic two-sided printing, which is a nice touch for saving paper. Its maximum resolution of 4,800 by 1,200 dpi ensures sharp and vibrant prints, especially for photos. However, the 100-sheet paper capacity and lack of an automatic document feeder make it less suitable for high-volume tasks. The design is sleek and lightweight, so it's perfect for students or home users who need something compact. On the downside, it's a bit slower than some of the other options on this list, and the ink cartridges can be pricey in the long run. But if you're looking for an affordable printer that gets the job done for occasional use, the Canon PIXMA MG3620 is hard to beat. At number 3, we have the Canon Megatank G3270, a versatile all-in-one printer designed for heavy-duty home use. Priced at $134, this printer offers incredible value thanks to its Megatank technology, which provides up to 6,000 black and white or 7,700 color pages with a single set of ink bottles. Canon claims this can save you up to $1,000 on ink costs over time, making it a fantastic choice for high-volume printing. The G3270 features a maximum resolution of 4,800 by 1,200 dpi, and print speeds of 11 ppm for black and 6 ppm for color. While it doesn't have automatic duplex printing, its large ink reservoirs and impressive page yield make up for it. The 1.35-inch LCD display is simple but functional, and the printer supports wireless connectivity for easy mobile printing. The downside? It's slightly bulkier than other models, and the lack of duplex printing may be a deal-breaker for some. However, if you're looking for a cost-efficient printer that handles high-volume tasks with ease, the Canon Megatank G3270 is a great option for families, students, or small businesses. Our runner-up is the Brother MFC J1010DW, which offers an impressive range of features for just $69.99. This all-in-one printer is perfect for both home and small office use, with print speeds of 17 ppm for black and 9.5 ppm for color. It also features automatic duplex printing, a 150-sheet adjustable paper tray, and a 20-page automatic document feeder, making it ideal for multitasking. The design is compact yet robust, with a 1.8-inch color display that's easy to navigate. The Brother Mobile Connect app allows you to manage printing and scanning directly from your smartphone or connect to cloud services like Google Drive. The print resolution of up to 6,000 times 1200 dpi ensures sharp, professional quality prints, whether you're working on documents or images. While it's a fantastic option for its price, the Brother MSC J1010DW does have a slightly larger footprint and higher weight compared to other models on the list. But with features like Alexa-enabled smart ink management and versatile paper handling, it's a great choice for anyone who needs a reliable, feature-rich printer without spending a fortune. Finally, at number 1, we have the Epson EcoTank ET2800, the premium option on our list at $179.99. This cartridge-free printer is a game changer for anyone tired of constantly replacing expensive ink cartridges. Instead, the ET2800 uses refillable ink tanks that provide up to 4,500 black and white or 7,500 color pages with each set of replacement bottles. That's enough ink for up to 2 years of printing. The EcoTank ET2800 features Epson's micro-piezo heat-free technology, which delivers vibrant, detailed prints at resolutions of up to 5,760 by 1440 dpi. With print speeds of 10 ppm for black and 5 ppm for color, it's not the fastest printer, but it more than makes up for it with its long-term savings and environmental benefits. The design is sleek and modern, and it includes wireless connectivity for easy printing from your smartphone or computer. The only real downside is the upfront cost, which is higher than most traditional inkjet printers. However, if you're looking for a reliable, cost-efficient, and environmentally friendly option for heavy-duty home or office use, the Epson EcoTank ET2800 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you narrow down your options for the best inkjet printer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Let us know in the comments which printer you're planning to pick up, or if you have any questions about these models. See you in the next video.